Kipulit kanong ba Shong, nen gasngi ka arplay trip naitung, kilayo ban kem ya kaway kalong kume, but Kurup hadu sans pa gram ne shiting kilo iay Droks, ba Shong dor kumba palat si Klur iay. Yakane kalong kume la kem de kipulit na pedeng Shong, Madanryting Shong, hadien balat kwet jor na kajing suba wa khayi Droks. Yakane kalong kume la tip kerteng kum ka kim nei khol khong sai, South Khandai Snam na Manipur. Pada pengat di kendon narcotic drugs but psychotropic substance act hat Khandai spa props.
And yesterday, the anti-narcotics team, the ANTF team that we have been able to arrest one person and recovered, I think the biggest recovery for ISPA sales in a very, very long time, which is 529 grams of heroin. And the street value of this will be over 1 crore. In the street value of sold in the streets would be 1 crore, maybe might be more than that. So, and this lady is a Manipuri lady, and we have been trying to target these kind of characters, and due to the hard work of the team, that we were able to track at least one of them. And these are no more common dealers, they are now suppliers. They are the suppliers that are supplying to other small dealers in the city. These dealers may buy from these big suppliers maybe 1-2 suitcases. Now one suitcase we would be getting about 12-13 grams. And out of that 12-13 grams, these people would then sell smaller versions of that, and which they will split them into little small golden tin. You know those golden tin, which they have that golden kind of a tobacco, that is a thing. And those again will be resold in those small golden tins, which will then be cut into the small courier. So you can imagine from a 1 gram, you can sell it into small little couriers, we call them, which are about maybe 0.5 mg.
One gram would lead to 30 to 40 couriers, and one courier will cost around $200.
Yeah, 2 to 3 depending on the flow. Yeah. So see, this is what it has become now, and we are very, very sad to say that we know this is a problem, but what I feel today is that it is also a society's problem. See, the society should also be a little bit responsible for all of this. And how can the society be responsible? By being a little bit more active and cooperating with the police. Now, in NDPS, now the NDPS Act is one of the most stringent acts. See, because the Act itself says that every seizure has to have witnesses. Now the police find it very difficult to get witnesses. The NDPS Act does not allow seizure only by the police. Unless and until we have independent witnesses, we cannot do a seizure. And how can we allow a person like this lady to carry that much heroin? How can we allow her to go scot-free? Now you tell me, isn't the crime of a supplier worse than the crime of a common criminal, a murderer? With that 500 grams or more of heroin, you will be killing I don't know how many people. You will be harming the lives of so many people. You will be affecting and destabilizing the family life of hundreds and hundreds of people. So if the society is going to assist us, we will ensure those kind of people go away for a long time. But if you do not help us, how can we put that person away for a long time? I need the witnesses to go to the court. The court will be having a trial. I need the witness to be there to cooperate, to ensure that the conviction is done. Conviction for this is the NDPS Act already says that 250 gram is already commercial. It is already a commercial, what they call it? quantity. Now we have crossed that huge quantity, and this is like, I don't know what, it is like a quantity like not less than 20 years.
The drug menace in last year and a half has reached such a level that, you know, they have, I don't know whether they have got bored, whether they have got what, like, you know, every day our team is there. And we cannot move in without witnesses. It's not like that, oh, we found something and then we call the witness. No, witness has to be there with us. And you know, you have to bear this thing that for one operation it might take 4 to 5 hours. Now imagine a person who is there as a witness. He has to be there and he's, you know, hanging high and dry, no food, no water, just like us. See, we are habitual that ways. So we understand their problems. But we would, like, that is why a man has stressed on this point, that we would want people to be more cooperative. If Rangba, Shanongs, Headmen, Sardars cannot come, VDPs cannot come, at least, you know, if these young boys from the locality, if maybe they can, you know, that these are the solutions which we will have to find at our own level. By discussing, it's not a forum to criticize our community, but to discuss these things in open, one. Secondly, there is one more issue which, you know, we would like to flag at this point of time. Till today, we have not arrested, we have not put any house owner in a case. But as per NDPS, we would like to clarify section 25. If you are allowing your premises to be used for some criminal activity under NDPS Act, you are liable as an abettor. Your punishment is same. In this case, we have asked for legal opinion. We are discussing among ourselves. We would want to put house owner also in the case, because see, this recklessness with the tenants cannot go on. You know, it's very easy for people to blame police for every wrongdoing, but we would rather want to ask questions from the people. Why are you allowing this thing to happen? Why are you not telling us if some house, some person is being visited at odd hours multiple times? Now yesterday we caught this woman, now neighbors are telling us, oh, this house is being visited by people at odd hours, you know, so many unknown people are coming. So why can't you tell us beforehand? See, these are the things, because see, this drug problem, it's a social evil. It is not something which only law enforcement can handle. We need a lot